Hey everyone, just a quick video. Just a little explanation why I haven't been doing any YouTube videos. So not like anybody has missed me or missed my videos, but just wanted to work on something that was kind of bothering me, specifically referring to whenever I would go into the mirror or whenever I would do the transplanting of the hairs, I'd always have to squint looking into the mirror because I would be here, the mirror would be over here, and you'd always have to look into the mirror and squint. And after a few thousand, I kind of noticed after a few thousand times, I was getting lines on the front of my forehead. Maybe just because of getting older, but it kind of seems a little bit weird that I don't know, it just seems I was getting more lines were getting pronounced on my forehead. So I thought maybe there's a little bit better way, and I was coming up with some different ways of trying to see if there's any other method of not having to look into or lean over to the mirror. And basically at the end of the day, I just came up with a simple solution. I don't think it's a costly solution, and many of you could probably already have these materials at your house or in your home, so you don't have to spend any extra money to do this. And I think also, if you do it this way, the way that I'm going to show you, it's nothing special, just like 2 or 3 things. It's going to be maybe using two mini tripods, maybe I would say 50 centimeters, I think they're called 50. Well, you'll see them right now. And then maybe 2 high intensity lights that you would probably use if you were to make, or if you were to actually, if you have one of those light boxes, or if you just do any videos and you know how to work the lighting, something like that. And then also you would just need a mirror, a little magnifying mirror, but you'll see that right now in the next clip. So and basically what it is just a way for you not having to lean into the mirror and maybe potentially save yourself some wrinkles in the future, I guess. And then I would say I think it's easier because it's easier on your neck. And I've not been doing it, but I've been trying it out a little bit, and it seems that it kind of feels a little bit easier on the body, maybe on the neck, and maybe that could also increase the time that you can do this method if you're still into it, if you're still here. So let's look at it. Let's look at this simple setup to help you save time and a few wrinkles on your forehead, I guess, and not blame me if you do get any wrinkles on your forehead. So let's go. Let's watch. Let's see a little simple method setup. So essentially, this is it. 2 tripods. These lights. I'll provide the links in the description below. And then 2 old books that you don't need, textbooks that you don't need. And this is it. Probably, if you can, maybe some lights that have rechargeable batteries. Or if you don't have any, or you don't want it, you can just get some lights that just hook up to the electricity. And that's it. In the next video, I'll show you guys how this setup works. Essentially, it's just these lights just function so you don't have any shadows on either side. And that's always been a big issue for me, especially if you notice maybe this side is a little bit more thicker than this side, and that's always been an issue. So in the next video, I'll show you how to use it, maybe in a week or so, coming up from this video. And should be, I don't think you need to. You would need an explanation, but just in case. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next videos. So yeah, until next time.